Well guys, as you all know, the cruise ship is slowly steadily getting started. But now there is a warning. Yes guys. Now this warning is not for the COVID. This time this warning is coming from the weather. Yes, there is a tropical storm. The name of the storm is Fred. Is heading toward US and all over Caribbean. Now all the cruise ship is little concerned because they said like we just getting started. Now another pandemic of storm is coming. All the cruise ship companies are taking precaution, but we are nothing front of Mother Nature. All we can do, we can pray for the betterment of our life. Well guys, the another update which is coming from the Carnival cruise line. Now the Carnival cruise line ship name is Carnival Vela is back from the dry dock. It went for the maintenance work. It is ready to join the services, but it won't join the first train which will be starting from September and October. But it will be rejoining by the end of 2021 from Louisiana. The third update is coming from the Norwegian cruise line. Now, Norwegian Enco started sailing in Alaska from 7th August and back to Seattle after successfully completing just the first ship of Norwegian cruise line to sail in Alaska. Now the fourth and the final update which is coming from Disney Cruise Line. Now the cruise name is Disney Dream. Finally, it got restarted operation in the USA after 17-month pause. It started sailing from 9th of August. So guys, if you like all this update, please subscribe to my channel. I will keep updating you about cruise ship and cruise ship life. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy. Bye.